Hello, this is Galen Martling, design team member with Unity Stamp Company. I have an interactive card today. It is a slider card. It has a little mouse on it as the focal point, and it has a little lift note at the top of the card that makes it open up to the inside. And so I am using Stamps by Unity. One is called Country Mouse Hello, and another one is Interactive Verbiage Kit, and then I'm also using Clouds and Waves Stencil by Unity for this background. And so I have a die cut panel. I used Stamps by Unity and dies by My Favorite Things. So I'm using their slider surprise die and also some scalloped edges dies. And so I stamped that with Cobalt ink by Ranger. It's like a navy blue. And I stamp it on an oversized piece of cardstock so that I can place this die right over it. And I still have some excess room on the edges. Now you can use scissors or an X-Acto knife to get a similar look. I just had this die and I wanted to go ahead and use it. Now I'm adding paper in between that front flap there and the background, just so that I can do some ink blending and keep the ink blending all on that top panel that's going to lift up. And so I wanted to make little clouds. You can do any kind of background. You can use pattern paper. Just something to accent that square there with the interactive middle square. I went ahead and used an ink blending tool with Distress Oxide ink. I used, let's see, that ink is Broken China Distress Oxide ink with an ink blending brush, and gently using this cloud die, Clouds and Waves die, I used the edges, just dabbing it very carefully so that I only use the cloud part on the edges. And it makes nice little clouds for the background. I like that. Now what I'm going to do after that is just lightly blend the rest of the ink around the sides there of that frame area. I used Post-it tape to just mask off the rest of that panel so that the ink stays right on that inner rectangle there. This is the top layer. It's got a little score line on this die, so I just folded it over on that middle score line. It's also got a score line on the bottom where I add adhesive tape on that center part of the bottom. That is going to attach to another panel that's going to go right behind that lift up panel. And it's going to be attached at the bottom so that when you pull it up, it lifts up. And it's perfect to add something like this little mouse or, some sort of focal stamp that you like. Now I marked where to stamp the hello on the inside of that. That's going to be the card front. I marked in pencil where to stamp that. And so that when I place this panel right over the green card base, that hello will show right through that opening. And so here's the mouse and the sentiment, pre-stamped and pre-colored. I noted the Copic coloring for the mouse. The colors I used are noted here. And I used navy cardstock and mint cardstock, and also white. And there you go. You just lift up that panel and you could see the mouse standing up. You could still see the background clouds, and you could see the hello on the inside. It's really sweet. It's a nice surprise for somebody getting the greeting card. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you give it a try, and I hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, and share. Have a great day.